Hello.
Hello. What are you doing that you're not allowed to be doing? Sorry? He's not moving. Have a look in the highway code. You look it up for him, seeing as you're not driving. And you can see what that says about stationary in the queue at a red light. I can hear the engine running. You're still driving.